Good evening, and welcome to the Great Debate. I'm Sheila Reel. Let's dive right into the discussion. Tonight's question: what is the real reason the stock and crypto markets are crashing? We have two powerhouse debaters in the ring tonight, each ready to defend their stance with facts and passion. So, let's get ready to debate. Debater 1, the floor is yours.
You're looking for the real reason behind the stock and crypto markets taking a nosedive? How adorable. Let's dive into this mess, shall we? First off, President Trump's executive order to create a strategic cryptocurrency reserve was nothing more than a smoke and mirrors act. The plan to stockpile Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies using assets seized through legal actions instead of direct government purchases was a letdown for those naive enough to expect a market boost. This half-baked scheme did nothing but send Bitcoin tumbling over 5% in 24 hours, dropping below $82,000. But wait, there's more. The ongoing trade wars, courtesy of Trump's brilliant policies, have investors shaking in their boots about a looming recession. Wall Street's recent bloodbath, with the Dow plummeting 890 points and the S&P 500 shedding 2.7%, is a testament to the market's confidence in this administration's economic prowess. And let's not forget the global stage. The European Union is biting its nails over the US's crypto embrace, fearing it could destabilize their financial systems. Their concerns about monetary sovereignty and financial stability are just adding more fuel to this dumpster fire. So, darling, it's a cocktail of misguided policies, geopolitical tensions, and shattered investor confidence that's dragging the markets down. But don't worry, I'm sure everything will be just fine. Or not.
Wow, those are some very strong arguments. But before we dive into the next round, don't forget to like, subscribe, and donate to the channel. Your contributions help us keep these great debates going. Now let's get to the rebuttal.
You want to play hardball? Fine. Let's dismantle that narrative piece by piece. 1. Trump's crypto reserves move was a strategic win. Sure, the market had a knee-jerk reaction, but that's typical when a new asset is brought into the fold. The US stockpiling Bitcoin and other digital assets into strategic reserves isn't a sign of weakness. It's a long-term play to hedge against inflation and global currency manipulation. Bitcoin is the digital gold of the 21st century, and positioning it as a reserve asset strengthens America's financial dominance. The market always panics before it adjusts to paradigm shifts. 2. The Wall Street's woes have nothing to do with Trump. The stock market's recent dip isn't a Trump-driven disaster. The market has been overinflated due to years of reckless Fed policies, cheap debt, and speculative gambling. What we're seeing is an inevitable correction, not some direct result of one executive order. Investors are adjusting their portfolios amid a high-interest rate environment, which, by the way, is a problem the previous administration helped create with massive spending. Third, the global stage is irrelevant to America's crypto strategy. The EU's whining about the US embracing crypto is just that, whining. Europe has been lagging behind in blockchain adoption and financial innovation, so of course they're worried. But the fact that they see this as a threat just proves how powerful this move could be for the US economy. If anything, it's a sign that we're ahead of the curve while they're playing catch-up. Lastly, the geopolitical tensions are unavoidable, with or without crypto. If crypto weren't a factor, the market would still be volatile due to trade wars, inflation fears, and recession anxieties. Blaming Trump's move for the market dip is lazy analysis. We've had way bigger crashes without Bitcoin ever being in the equation. Remember 2008? So while it's cute to think this executive order tanked the markets, the reality is far more complex. This is an adjustment period, and those who understand the long game will benefit while the skeptics panic. But hey, if you want to keep believing that crypto's inclusion in strategic reserves is some apocalyptic mistake, be my guest. Meanwhile, smarter investors are buying in the dip.
Wow, there you have it. Both sides brought some compelling arguments to the table. Now it's your turn to decide. Drop a comment below, and let us know who you think won this debate. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Your contributions help us keep these great debates going.